Hello everyone. In this video I will dive into Java implementation of Leetcode problem number 75, sort colors. Given an array num with an object colored red, white and blue, we should to sort them in place so that objects of the same color are adjacent with the color in the order red, white and blue. So 0, 1 and 2 represent the color red, white and blue respectively. We shouldn't use sort functions. So let's start with overviewing of the code. We have a sort color method that takes an array colored nums as input. So inside method we should to initialize 2 pointers and then use loop to traverse array. So let's begin. We should to create some integer L that will initialize 0 and represent the position where the 0 should be placed, and create some integer named R with nums length, cause of we should to indicate where the next 2 should be placed. So we create some integers. After that we should to create some loop to traverse array. We will explore the loop. It iterates from I is 0 and also our I should be less or equal to our element R. So after that we should to check conditions. If our elements nums I should to be, if it will be 0, we will return something, but we can't do it because there isn't any method. I think we should to create some method named swap that will not return anything. So that it will be void method swap. Swapping. After that we should to create an object array nums with integer I, also with integer j. So after that we should to create some temporary with that will equal to nums I. Also that elements I should be equal to nums j, and our nums j should to be equal our temporary. So we at this method we just method that swap element in array. It's a simple method that exchange values of 2 indices. So let's return to our conditions. So if there is our elements nums I is equal to 0, we should to swapping them by elements nums, and our elements should to increase and L, I guess. So we check it. If our nums is 0, we swap nums I with nums L and increase both I and L. After that you have next condition, if our elements is equal to 1. So we check it. Nums I is equal to 1. Our swapping should be like that. Nums if our nums I is 1, we can increase I as 1. that are already in correct position. So we just increase one I. After that, our last condition, if our elements is equal to 2, else we swapping the elements nouns, and I return, and also our elements r is should to decrease to place 2 at the end of the array. So that's all, I think. Let's try to run our program. So it's accepted our both two cases. Let's try to submit. So our runtime is 0 milliseconds. It's also accepted. So let's overall our program. At first we create some two iterates variables I, our variables. After that we create some loop and check if there is conditions is will return. If it will be correct, we will swap elements, create some swapping method to exchange the indices. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.